we are going to Ocean Adventure! Yay! Yay! So today we are heading to Ocean Park, and let me just say, getting there wasn't easy. We had to ride not one, not two, but 3 different trains just to reach it. And honestly, if you're not used to Hong Kong's train system, it can get pretty confusing. Like the other day when we went to Disneyland, we actually hopped on the wrong train, but luckily we realized it fast, got off, and switched to the right line. And here's the thing. Hong Kong trains are really good. They are fast, super reliable, as long as you know exactly where you're going. The problem for us, the language barrier. It's so hard sometimes to ask questions because not everyone can understand English well. We were honestly struggling to explain ourselves. We probably asked around so many times like, where do we go? And most of the time, we were still so lost. But you know what? At the end of the day, we still made it. We got on the right trains, we reached Ocean Park, and that's what matters. And I have to say, this is all of our first time here. None of us has ever been to Ocean Park before, so we were all super excited, even though, oh my gosh, the heat. The heat in Hong Kong is no joke. Honestly, it feels even hotter here than the Philippines. When we were at Disneyland the other day, it was so hot. We were all close to fainting, and now here we go again. Another full day out under the sun. But anyway, I hope you enjoy watching this vlog as much as we enjoyed experiencing it. This is going to be a really special one for us, so let's go and explore Ocean Park together.
Anak, hindi pwedeng i-uwi yun. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwedeng kasama mo.
Can you find that animal on this page? No. Okay, the next page. No. Carefully, don't miss anyone. Okay, the next one. No. No as well.
You sure?
Sure, you sure,
Yes. Yes. So we can, let me guess, which animals are you thinking? Are you guessing? Yes.
It's tiger. Oh. Whoa.
Wow, enak mo sa mga. Ganda.
Cable car. Are you excited? Iya. Bye. Bye, nak.
Nakakatakot ah. Takot pa naman ako sa heights. Bye!
Hey, baby boy!
Wow!
Ready, pray to Jesus.
Wow!
Maganda na! Try mo na.
Ay, huwag kang malikot. Uy, wala. Huwag kang malikot.
Hindi ako naglilikot ah.
Nanginginig ba yan?
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Kaya mo pag nalaglag naman tayo, ano yun?
Uy, tanga.
Ayan, no, mga puno-puno, kumbaga safe pa din.
Taas na natin. Natagal pa?
Oo, tignan mo sobrang taas na natin.
Pero malayo pa?
Malayo ba?
Ay, ba't bumibilis?
Ala, yan lala!
Ayoko na talaga.
Hello, mami.
Ang taas, grabe.
Hello, mami.
Hindi ako
Malayo
nag-joke.
pa.
Sobrang taas.
Sobrang taas, tignan mo mamaya kapag sa video. Sobrang taas.
Pakita mo yung mga island. Ayun.
Ano pala yung
Island
islands?
hopping. Oh my God, ang taas na. Oh
tignan
my
mo.
gosh. Ang taas.
Huwag ka magulo.
Ang magulo.
Sumasakit tiyan ko.
Ang saya.
Papoy sa yung
Ang saya.
Sakit tiyan ko.
Ang taas natin.
Huwag mag-train na lang tayo mamaya.
Na kay Jesus na tayo. Malapit na kay Jesus.
Hello. Buti ba si Iyo?
Uy, ayan na
Happy lang.
nakikita ko dun sa...
Ayan na. Ang taas natin.
Nabalaglag naman yan.
Bakit? At least hindi tayo
Malayo
nalaglag.
pa?
Woo!
Ano ba?
Super taas.
Ayoko,
Ayun sila.
ayan o.
Ayun sila.
Sakit tiyan ko.
Hello, Jesus.
Makakasama ko talaga si Jesus. Yan talaga. Yan. Kasi sasakay kayo? Don't alight here. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari, Bloody? Nakakatakot po? Hindi na ako.
Mama! Ladi, anong hinahanap natin?
Rice!
We want rice. Kanina-kanina kami, guys.
Kanina na kanina.
Guys, extra rice lang. So, nakabili tayo ng chicken sa McDo. Isang bucket. Ayan, ano to? Ayan. Eto.
Ayun na yun nga.
Rice.
Lumpia.
O yan, ganyan tayo, bibili tayo ng ganyan, mga dalawa order. Tapos, 8 rice, ay 10 rice.
Kasi hati-hati na po kami sa ano eh. What about extra rice?
What about we buy this and then we want extra rice?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
How much is the extra rice? Because I'm really hungry.
Only one
This lies 22.
22?
Yeah.
Okay.
What if you only just wanted the rice?
No.
No.
This.
Yes.
Ayan.
That's
It's $22.
Noodles na naman yun.
Hindi ko alam.
Noodles na spaghetti daw.
Huwag na tayo mag-noodles.
It's lunchtime and we are looking for rice, guys. They don't have rice, unfortunately. Walang rice. Bakit? Oh, ang sakit ng likod ko. My back hurts so very, very much because Iya is getting so heavy. But I'm so happy that she's okay. She had a very slight fever last night. It was kind of on and off, like 1 a.m. and then maybe at around 3 a.m. And yeah, she's been okay since. And I'm so happy because right now I can see a huge improvement. And I think what's happening to her is because she is teething. Aside from the very warm weather, she's not as fussy as yesterday, which is so good. And one more day to go. For tomorrow, I think we are going to Macau. The day after tomorrow, we are heading back home. Pagod na pagod ka na maglakad.
Di pa naman, kaya pa naman.
Kaya pa, Vladi.
Pero kasi,
At least sumakses tayo kasi
Buy
we were
rice.
able to buy rice.
Yes.
O, diba? Sumakses ng person. Eliza, I miss you. Kung nasaan ka man, nandito ka sa gitna namin.
dito.
Ayan. Ayan ka, Ber, nararamdaman ko siya, Vlad. Nararamdaman mo.
Pero,
Huge.
Sweet and spicy ata yan eh. Ha?
kala ko kaya.
Ito, papa.
Alis pa tayo nun. 10 years old yung mga to. 46 na tayo.
Hindi,
Ay, naka-wheelchair.
Hindi. Pagka ano nitong mga to, o magmamakaw muna kami kasino kay dito.
Bahala kayo.
Yan ang problema pag nag-anak ka ng 30.
Bigyan na lang namin kayo ng pera.
Nag-anak ka na ng 30, ito pala yun. Lahat pagod, grabe, di ba? Sakit na ng tuhod ko. Woo! Mabilang kung ilan na yung steps namin for today.
Ako muntik nang mawala.
Muntik na mawala yung camera. Oh my God. Naiwan ko siya sa saan tawag yun? Train station ba yun? MRT. MTR. MTRCB.
Tawag doon, Daddy Gilbert.
MTR.
Gilmore, ano daw?
Naiwan ko siya. As in, nakaalis na kami sa train nung naalala ko. Pero nandito pa rin siya. Diba? Ang galing. Buti na lang, that was the last station.